Hello guys, welcome to today's section of Tech Bro with Sabi. Now in today's section, I'm going to be telling us about some important tech careers that we actually have to take or that you can start up with. Now I will be using a case scenario to explain this. Firstly, I'm going to use, for instance, if you want to design a car, right? Now there are different stages. Firstly, you need to have a blueprint of what you want to design. I'll explain this in with some basic courses or some tech careers in tech. So basically I'll start with UI UX. So UI UX designers are those people who actually gives a blueprint. So they are the ones, they are the creative ones. So if you're actually creative, if you can be able to bring out something from nowhere, if you're good in designs, if you're good in things like arts, so UI UX should actually be your field. Then the next stage is actually the front end designs. The front end designs are those who actually brings up all this UI UX design in a wireframe, okay, making it simpler in just a design which you can actually see. So that's for the front end designs. Now I'm going to give a typical example of UI UX. So UI UX to a common mind is just like a graphic designer. So UI UX actually means user interface slash user experience. So these people are actually those who ensures that the user is actually very comfortable with the product, right? So before moving to the front end engineers who actually implement those designs, okay, those UI UX designs are actually implemented by the front end engineers. Now the back end engineers are those people who actually brings up the app into reality. When I mean that they actually do all the functionalities. For instance, having a back app implies both designing the front end, and there are some things that actually runs underground that you don't actually have a clue of. So those people that actually does those things, for instance, the registration, where the data goes to, how it's being processed, so it's actually done by the back end engineer. So if you are very creative and you don't want to stress yourself when it comes to calculations or terrible algorithms and things like that, you just have to go to UI UX. So if you're good in implementing designs, if you just want to maybe you want to place button this particular place and the other place, so what you just need to go to is into front end engineering. And if you want to if you're good in brainstorming, like you're good in maths, you're good in things like calculation, you just want to move inside somewhere where there will be a heavy load, right? So you should just go to back end, right? All of them are actually good, all of them pays very well. It just depends on the one you like, and make sure that you actually go for the one you like. So in my next video section, I'll be telling us more, I'll be diving deeply into some of these careers. Thank you, and meet you on the next video.